You know those days where you're just craving a chocolate chip cookie, but you don't want to make a whole batch? This small batch recipe is for you.
Into a bowl goes 4 tablespoons or 56 grams of really soft or slightly melted butter. I just pop mine in the microwave for 10 seconds. Add 1/3 a cup, 67 grams of brown sugar. Start mixing that until it's completely come together. Add in 1 whole egg. The great thing about this recipe is it uses the whole egg, so there's no wastage. Give that a good mix and add in a half teaspoon of vanilla, or maybe a little extra. Add in 1 cup, 120 grams of flour, a 1/4 teaspoon, 1 gram of baking soda, a 1/4 teaspoon, 1 gram of cornstarch, and a pinch of salt. You'll also add in half a cup, 90 grams of chocolate chips. On a parchment-lined baking tray, scoop 4 large cookies. My scoop holds about 5½ tablespoons. You can use 2 spoons for this, just quarter the dough. There's no wait time here, straight into the oven.
These are going to bake in the oven at 175 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 12 minutes. Or you can do them in the air fryer at the same temperature for 8 to 10 minutes.
And look at these hefty cookies. Enough just to satisfy that cookie craving.
If you've got more time on your hands and you're looking to make the best chocolate chip cookies in the world, why not try my recipe here? Make sure to like this video and hit the subscribe button because I come out with a new recipe every week. See you next time.